Good day everyone, this is Sir Carl. In this video, I am going to teach you on how to integrate materials on WPS Office app. You can use this app if you don't have a laptop or a tablet. To do that, you need to install first the app using your app downloader of your device. In my case, I use my app gallery for downloading the said app. After downloading, you can instantly do a document. In this video, you will learn or you will see the different materials that you can integrate using WPS Office app. Let's do now the task. So let's go to our phone. Let's find or locate the WPS Office app. Select the app. Okay. To start the selection or to start creating a document file, press the plus button inside the orange circle. Choose document. As you can see here, we have blank template as most used. If you are going to be online, the WPS Office offers you different templates. For the meantime, we're going to use the blank template. Now let's see what are the materials that you can integrate in the WPS Office. Press the plus sign. As you can see, there are three dots that appeared after pressing the said button or the said sign. Click that or click the three dots. Now we have the following materials: the picture, text box, and shape. So let's do first or use first a picture. Now you can use picture from your device. Let's select one. Click OK. You may resize the photo. Then you can include or encode words. These are my rabbits. I feed them with grass. Sometimes they are released from the rabbit tree to have some walk. Now you may do an image placement so that you can place the picture well in your document. To do that, select the picture or press the picture and click wrap. Here you can see different image placements. Okay, after demonstrating picture as a material that can be integrated in the WPS Office, let's use a shape. WPS Office app offers different shapes that you can integrate in the document. You can also resize. You can do adding text, or you can also rotate the material or the shape. You can also include, or you can have what we call text. You can also have text box. It's not present in the selection, but you can use text box by clicking this part. Then you can have what we call text box. So it's now your time to explore the WPS Office app, and I'm very excited to see your output. Please select a learning task um, from our WHLP. Again, this is Sir Carl, and see you in the next video. By the way, I forgot to save the document. Click the Save button and choose Phone. Then you can change the name of the document. If you're contented with the name of the document, click Save. And here is our document. If you have questions, do not hesitate to ask me online. Again, this is Sir Carl, and thank you very much for watching.